Alright, so I finished getting this prepped to lift up. I got the motor mounts all undone already. She's ready to go onto the crane. I just got to pull the carb off, which I'm going to do tomorrow before I lift it up. Mainly because I want as little time with the intake open as possible. Get that handled. This will be out of here tomorrow as well. Crane's here, ready to go. Lift plate, ready to go. Let's see. I also gathered up all the hardware that we currently had sitting. I cleaned them up, painted them. Painted the thermostat housing as well. I'm going to give these another coat before I take off. Let's see. And then tomorrow, the panel come off. All that good stuff will get done. And then I will start cleaning up here as well, because we are icky. I'm going to definitely be cleaning. And then I'll get the pan cleaned and hopefully painted. And then I'll slap the pan on it. Well, I gotta do the timing cover and everything first, so we'll probably slap the pan on it later. I might even set it back down on the mount and then pick it back up again once all the rest of the stuff's on, because I gotta do the timing cover and all that before I put the pan back. Yeah, so progress. I'll be here most of the day tomorrow. Just a little mock-up. Might want to see where if I gotta touch up any of this paint. Probably going to here, but I'll do that after it's bolted on the car and everything's sealed up. We'll just do a little spritz and a little spritz, and she be looking golden. That's looking good. And I'll get the oil pump assembled too once this is sitting on the engine.